Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about roots and irrational numbers. Okay, so warm up muna tayo. Simplify each expression. Number 1, 6 squared. Number 2, 11 squared. Okay, so lahat yan i-simplify natin. Okay, yung number 1, 6 squared, so that is equal to 36. Kasi multiply natin si 6 dalawang beses or multiply by itself. Number 2, 11 squared, so that is 11 times 11, that is 121. Number 3, positive 81 kasi kapag mag-multiply tayo ng the same sign, the result is positive. Okay, so that's why nagiging positive 81 yan. Number 4, that is positive 25 over 36. Multiply natin yung numerator at saka denominator. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Number 5, write each fraction as a decimal. Okay, tapos na natin ito na-discuss. So, 2/5, that is equal to 0.4. Okay, number 6 is 0.5, tapos benculum yung 5. Ibig sabihin ng benculum, meron pang 555 yan. 555555, di ba? So, repeating decimal yan. So, number 7, that is 5 and 3/8. So, ang result yan in decimal form, that is 5.375. Number 8, negative 1 and 5 over 6. So, that is negative 1.833333. Okay? So, vocabulary, square root, principal square root, perfect square, cube root, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, terminating decimal, repeating decimal, and irrational numbers. So, a number that is multiplied by itself to form a product is a square root of that product. The radical symbol is used, this one, okay, is used to represent square roots. For non-negative numbers, the operations of squaring and finding a square root are inverse operations. In other words, for x is greater than or equal to 0, that is square root of x times square root of x, that is x. Kasi nga, square root of x times square root of x, that is square root of x squared. Then square root of x squared is x. Okay, so positive real numbers have two equal roots. 4 times 4, that is equal to 4 squared. So 4 squared, that is equal to 16. So therefore, the square root of 16 is equal to 4 or positive 4. Okay, positive square root of 16, that is equal to positive 4. Next, okay, negative naman ito, negative square root of 16. So the result is negative 4. Okay, negative square root of 16. So that is negative 4. The principal square root of the number of a number is the positive square root and is represented by the radical sign. A negative square root is represented by negative, tapos square root or radical sign ng square root. The symbol positive or negative square root is used to represent both square roots. So, pwede siya positive, pwede rin negative. Okay? A perfect square is a number whose positive square root is a whole number. Some examples of a perfect square are shown in the table. Okay? So, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. So, 1, yung 0, that is equal to 0, or 0 squared, that is 0. So, 1 squared, that is 1. 2 squared, that is equal to 4. 3 squared, that is equal to 9. 4 squared, that is equal to 16. Okay, so on and so forth. Next. Okay, writing math. The small number to the left of the square root is the index in the square root. The index is understood to be 2. In other words, the radical sign, the square root, is the same as Okay? Yung index niya is 2. So, the same lang yan. So, pwede na wala na yung 2. Okay? A number that is raised to the third power to form a product is a cube root of that product. The symbol, okay, yung symbol ng cube root indicates the cube root since 2 cube that is equal to 8. Or the cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Similarly, the symbol fourth root indicates a fourth root. Okay? So, fourth root of 16, that is 2. Kasi nga, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. So, fourth root. Okay, find each root. Letter A, square root of 81. Think what number squared equals to 81. So, ano yung number na pag-square natin that's equal to 81. So, square root of 81, so that is square root of 9 squared. Okay? So, square root of 9 squared, that is equal to 9. Pwede mo i-cancel yung 2 at saka yung radical sign. So, naiwan is square root. Ang naiwan is positive 9. Letter B, negative square root of 25. Okay? So, think what number squared equals to 25. So, 5. Di ba? So, 5 squared. Huwag kalimutan yung negative, ha? So, the result is negative 5. Next, find the root of the cube root of negative 216. So, think what number cube equals negative 16. Hanap pa ng number na i-multiply natin 3 times, the result is 216. Okay? Or negative 216. So, yung number natin dito is negative 6. Kasi multiply natin si negative 6 3 times, the result is negative 216. Okay, kung i-multiply natin si negative 6 times negative 6, di ba? That is positive 36. Then, i-multiply naman natin dito kay negative 6, so that is negative 216. So, ang cube root ng negative 216 is negative 6. Next, find each root, square root of 2, square root of 4. So, that is, what number squared equals to 4? That is 2. Next, negative 25 or negative square root of 25, that is, okay, what number squared equals to 25? So, that is 5. Yeah? Don't forget the negative sign. Then, next, to fourth root of 81. Think what number to the fourth root powers equals to 81. So, the fourth root of 81, that is equal to the fourth root of 3 raised to the power of 4. Ibig sabihin, 3 yung sagot natin dito. Okay, cancel natin yung 4. Okay, tsaka naiwan dyan is 3. Or positive 3. Kasi nga, i-multiply natin yung 4 times, that is equal to positive 81. Next, find the root of square root of 49 over 9. So, what number squared equals to 49? Okay, that is 7. So, 7 times 7 is 49. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so therefore, square root of 49 over 9, that is equal to 7 over 3. Find the root of the cube root of 8 over 125. So, think what number cube equals 8 over 125. That is 2 over 5. Okay? So, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. And yung sa denominator, 5 times 5, that is 25 times 5 is 125. So, therefore, the cube root of 8 over 125 is equal to 2 pip. Next, find the root of negative the square root of 4 over 25. So, square natin yung 4. What number squared equals to 4 at saka over 25? 2 at saka 5. Or 2 pip. Then, don't forget sa negative sign. Okay? So, negative 2 pip. Next, find the root of square root of 4 over 9. What number squared equals 4 over 9? That is 2 over 3. 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 3, that is 9. So the square root of 4 over 9, that is equal to 2/3. Next, the cube root of 1 over 8. What number cube equals 1 over 8? That is 1 over 2. 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So therefore, the cube root of 1 over 8 is 1/2. Okay. Next, find the root of negative the square root of 4 over 49. Think what number squared equals 4 over 9. 4 over 49. That is 2 over 7. Negative. Kasi negative yung labas ng square root. So negative 2 over 7. Square roots of numbers that are not perfect, so such as 15, are not whole numbers. Okay, next topic na natin itong hindi perfect square. Okay, so gamit tayo ng approximation dito. So ito lang yung muna yung topic natin, at maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.